Hi, today in front of you OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to activate fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's just first open the settings and then scroll to password and security. Then click to fingerprint section, draw one from your unlock methods, draw the pattern or the pin code or passcode. After that you'll see fingerprint animation section, just tap on it and switch just now to one from these available animations. For example, let's use this one. Just after that, let's lock our device, and now we can see that we just successfully activate the fingerprint sensor animation on our OnePlus 11 device. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.